That one works better. This one blows up over here like that.
Okay.
We're trained. Okay, we did not find the second gear washers, but we did find the low gear washers. But you're going to get the late packaging, not the original packaging. Very important. Where'd the trash can run off to? Oh, somebody hid it from me. Hide that from me? Someone else did it. No, this is not Taiwan Teddy here.
Good stuff.
This is real shit.
Private stash.
No, this is all this stuff to sell that's not listed for like 10 years now. But stick it all boxed over. So, guess where low gear thrust washer goes? It does not go on low gear side.
Huh.
Camera's over here. You have to watch where I'm at. No, you just have to move the camera down where I'm at.
Gotcha.
To hold it. So, this is made for 33 and up. It goes on both sides. See, on late turn, it only fits on this side. This side's reverse gear. Back in the day, that was it fit on this side too. So where's your other gear at? The gear's here. Which goes like this actually, which is you have to put a new low gear thrust washer on there. Take that back off. Put your shift dog on there like that again. Put your washer back. Then we put your reverse gear on there. So now we have clearance, see? Something you didn't have before.
Wow.
Amazing how that works, huh?
Yep.
Don't leave out parts. You still can't get in play with even that missing.
Nope.
But that was a bunch of your in play you're trying to take out. But you were having problems getting that kind of clearance in there, so you had other issues.
Plus they had those rubbers in there.
And I got an extra bearing for them. Pulled out of the used training we had. Okay, so this has to be honed, this has to be honed, this has to be honed. And that's it for now that we know of. I think that's everything we need to get honed. Alright. Lots of honing. How long is it going to take to do all this honing?
Probably take you longer to set it up.
It'll take way longer to set up than I take the honing. You go up the hill and found.
Yeah.
Fancy guys up there.
Well, I can lean against the wall.
Oh, getting tired. Okay, first we got to figure out what size hone we're going to use. Probably that one. Way up. That's how you roll. The horn is done. Need a little more on that one. We're still pretty tighter than expected. So make sure you got some clearance in it. want to see the gear move or the shaft move in the gear. One of the two. So we're not getting much clearance. It's still tight. Shows more clearance. That's probably good. This one's still tight. That's moving now. That's still relatively tight, but now it's moving. This one was really out of round. When I first put it on there, it was having all kinds of problems. Okay, so now the shaft, which had high spots, doesn't care anymore, see? Because everything's got clearance on it now. Before it was tight, that's why I wasn't happy. Now that shaft still isn't round yet. It's better than it was. So we can either hone it or we can just leave it now because now it works because we got clearance on all this stuff. It'll clearance itself in later. Otherwise, I've got to take one of those external hones over there and run around a few times and make it look better. That might show imperfections though if we did that. Let's see what we got for imperfection over here. That thing is this one's kind of worn out. About the right size though. There we go. Put the oil. So usually I put this in my lathe and do it. Way out of round. Hear it jerking? Feel it jerking? Oh, that's bad. I'm getting the splines over here now. Okay, we don't make it too good. Appears to have a lot of grit on there now. Oh, it's gritty. Too much grit to put that on there. Yeah, still pretty gritty. This leaves a lot finer finish than what this one does. Okay, we'll clean all this up. Be back.